Good morning, student. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. Till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Today we will study Maths of Class 8, Chapter 2, Linear Equations 1 very well, Exercise 2D. Now come to the exercise. Question number 1. Solve the following equation and check your result. Now question number first part. 2 x plus 3 plus 3 x plus 1 is equal to 4 in bracket 2x minus 3 plus 3. Now first we have to find the value of x. Now first we solve the bracket. It will become 2 into x will become 2x plus 2 into 3 plus becomes 2 into 3 6. Similarly 3 into x becomes 3x, 3 into 1 will become 3. Similarly on right hand side 4 into 2x, 4 into 2 8x minus 4 3 is 12 and plus 3. Now we will take the variables on the same side, so it will become 2x plus 3x, this plus 8 will become minus 8x. Now this will become minus 12 plus 3, and this plus 6 will become minus 6 when it goes to right hand side, and plus 3 will become minus 3. Now 2x plus 3x will become 5x, 5x minus 8x is equal to, now plus 3 and minus 3 is cancelled out. Now this will become minus 12 and minus 6, minus minus will become plus, so minus 12 and minus will become minus 18. Now 5x minus 8x will become minus 3x is equal to minus 18, minus from minus is cancelled out, this will become x is equal to 18 upon 3. Now 3 6 are 18, so the value of x will become 6. So this is the value of x. Now we have to check our result. Now to check the result we have to put the value of x in the equation. Now first we take the left hand side, which is 2x plus 3 plus 3 x plus 1. Now here we put the value of x, where x is equal to 6. Now 2 x plus 6 means 6 plus 3 plus 3. In place of x we will put 6, it will become 6 plus 7, 6 plus 1, this will become 2, 6 plus 3 will become 9 plus 3, 6 plus 1 becomes 7. Now 2 9s are 18 and 7 3s are 21. Now it will become 8 plus 1 9 or 2 plus 1 3, 39. Now we will take our right hand side, which is 4, 2x minus 3 plus 3. Now in place of x we will put 6, so this will become 2 into x. In place of x we will put 6 minus 3 plus 3. Now this will become 4. Now 2 6 are 12 minus 3 plus 3. Now 4, 12 minus 3 9 plus 3. Now 4 9 is 36 plus 3, this will also become 39. Now we can see LHS is equal to RHS, so our answer is correct. Here LHS is equal to RHS, which is verified. Now move to the next question. Question number 2, which is 6 in bracket 3x plus 5 minus 10 in bracket x minus 2 is equal to 5 in bracket 5x minus 7. Now first we will find the value of x. Now 6 into 3x will become 18x plus 6 5s are 30. Now minus 10 into x will become minus 10x. Now minus 10 into minus 2, so minus from minus cancel out, it will become plus, and 10 into 2 will become 20. Now is equal to 5 into 5 25x 5 into minus 7, 5 7 is 35, minus 35. Now we will take variable term on the same side, so it will become 18x minus 10x. Now 25x will become minus 25x when it goes to the left hand side. Now on right hand side it will become minus 35. Now plus 30 will become minus 30 and plus 20 will become minus 20. Now 18x minus will become plus, minus 10 or 25 will become 35x. Now this will become minus, all are minus, so we will add this number and after that we will put the negative sign on the answer. So 30 plus 20 will become 50, 50 and 35 will become minus 85. Now this will become 18 minus 35, sorry 30, we have to minus 35 from 18. Now 15 minus 8 will become 7 and here we get 2, 2 minus 1, 17. It will become 17x is equal to minus 17 is equal to minus 85. Now minus from minus is cancelled out, so x will become 85 upon 17. So 17 5s are 85, so x will become 5. Now we will check our result. To check our result, first we take left hand side and then right hand side. So left hand side is 6, 3x plus 5 minus 10 x minus 2. Now in place of x we will put 5. So this becomes 6, 3 into 5 plus 5 minus 10, 5 minus 2. Now 6, 3 5s are 15 plus 5 minus 10, 5 minus 2 will become 3. Now 6 into 15 plus 5 become 20 minus 10 into 3 will become minus 30. Now 16 into 20, 6 to the 12 and 1 0 minus 30. 120 minus 30 will become 90. Now we will take, this is the left hand side, now we will take right hand side. Right hand side is 5, 5x minus 7. Now in place of x we will put 5, so this will become 5. In place of x will be 5, it will become 5 into x, means 5 into 5 minus 7. Now 5 into 5 will become 5 5 25 minus 7. Now 5 into 25 minus 7 will become 18. Now and 18 into 5, 18 5s are 90. Now we can see left hand side is equal to the right hand side. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side verified. It means the value of x is equal to 5 is the correct answer. Now move to the next question. Question number 3rd, which is 3x minus 3 is equal to 5, 2x plus 1. First we will find out the value of x. Now 3 into x will become 3x. 3 minus 3 will become 3 into 3 minus 9. Now this will become 5 to the 10x. 5 into 1, 5. Now we will take the variable term on the same side. So plus 10x will become minus 10x when it goes to the left hand side. 5 minus 9 become plus 9. So this will become 3x minus 10x is equal to minus 7x. 9 plus 5, 14, or x will become 14 upon minus 7. Now 7 to the 14. So the value of x will become minus 2. Now we will check our answer. first we will take the left hand side. It means 3x minus 3. Now 3, in place of x we will put minus 2, minus 3, 3. Minus 2 minus 3 will become minus 5. Now 3 into minus 5 will become 15 of minus. Now we will take right hand side, which is 5 in bracket 2x plus 1. This will become 5 to the 10x. Sorry, in place of first we will put the value of x. So this will become 5, 2 into x. X is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1. Now if this will become 5, 2 into minus 2 will become minus 4 plus 1. Now 5 minus 4 plus 1, it will become minus 3. Now 5 into minus 3 will become minus 15. Now LHS is equal to the RHS. Our answer is verified. Now move to the another question. Now we will do question number 6. Question number 6 is 2x plus 1 upon 3x minus 2 is equal to 5 upon 9. Now first we will find the value of x. So we will cross multiply. 9 will multiply and 9 will multiply to 2x plus 1 and 3x minus 2 will multiply to 5. Now this will become 9 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 5 into 3x minus 2. Now 9 2s are 18 plus 9 1s are 9 is equal to 5 3 is 15x minus 5 to the 10 minus 10. Now we will take the variable term on the same side. Now 15x will become minus 15x and minus 10 and plus 9 will become minus 9. Now this will become 18x minus 15x will become 3x is equal to minus 10 minus 9 will become minus 19. Or we can say x will become minus 19 upon 3. This is the value of x. Now we will check our answer. So first we will take the left hand side. We can 9 in bracket 2x plus, or we can take 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 upon 3x minus 2. Now in place of x we will put minus 19 upon 3. Now this will become 2 in place of x minus 19 upon 3 plus 1. Now similarly 3 into x in place of x minus 19 upon 3 minus 2. Now this 3 from this 3 is cancelled out. Now this will become 19 to the 38 minus 38 upon 3 plus 1 upon minus 19 and minus 2. Now we will take LCM. LCM 3 and 1 will become 3 into 3 into 3. This will become minus 38 plus 3 upon 3 and this is divided by minus 19 and minus 2 will become minus 21. Now we can write minus 21 upon 1. Now this will become minus 38 plus 3 will become minus 35 upon 3 divided by minus 21 upon 1. This will become minus 35 upon 3 divided by minus 21 upon 1. Now minus 35 upon 3. In place of divide we will put the sign of multiply and we will reverse the number. This will become 1 upon minus 21. Now minus from minus is cancelled out. Now we will cut it from it by 7. 7 5s are 35 and 7 3s are 29. Sorry, 7 3 are 21. Now 5 into 1 become 5 and 3 into 3 become 9. This will become 5 upon 9. Now LHS will become 5 upon 9 and already RHS is given 5 upon 9. So here LHS will equal to the RHS, which is equal to 5 upon 9. It means our answer is verified. Now rest of the part you can do it as a homework. Now we will move to next question, which is question number 2nd. Now question number 2nd. Question number 2nd is the ages of Aman and Priya are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, from now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Now first we will take the common ratio. Now question number 2nd, let the common ratio be x. Now the age of Aman will become 5x. Age of Aman is equal to 5x and the age of Priya will become 7x. Now in question it is given after 4 years later from now. It means after the 4 years the age of Aman will become 5x plus 4 and the age of Priya will become 7x plus 4. This will equal to the ratio of 3:4. Now we have to find the ages of the Aman and Priya. Now we will do the cross multiplication. This will become 4 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. Now 4 5s are 20x, 4 4 is 16. Similarly 3 7s are 21x plus 3 4 is 12. Now we will take the variable term on the same side. It will become 20x. 21x will become minus 21x when it goes to the right hand side, sorry, left hand side. Now 12, this plus 16 will become minus 16. Now plus 20x minus 21x will become minus x. Similarly 12 minus 16 will become minus 4. So minus from minus is cancelled out. This will become x is equal to 4. Now x will become 4. Now we will put the value of x in age of Aman and age of Priya, which is 5x and 7x respectively. Now present or age of Aman will become present age of Aman is equal to 5x. In place of 5 we will put the value of x, which is equal to 4. It means 5 4 are 20 years. The present age of Aman is 20 years. Now present age of Priya is 7x. In place of x again we will put the value of x, which is 4. It means 7 into 4. Now 7 4 is 28. Now so the present age of Priya is 28 years. Now question number 3rd, the difference of two positive numbers is 72 and the quotient obtained on dividing one's other is 1 by other is 4. Find the numbers. So let the numbers be x and y. Question number 3. Let the numbers x and y. Now according to question, the difference of two positive numbers is 72. So the difference of two numbers, the numbers are x and y, so the difference will become x minus y, which is equal to the 72. This is the equation number 1. Now, and the quotient obtained on dividing 1 by other is 4. Now it means when you divide x by y, we will get 4. When you divide one another by y, we will get 4. This is the equation number 2. Now this will become x is equal to, y will be going to multiply with 4. This will be x is equal to 4y. Now this is the equation number 2. Now we will put the value of x in equation 1. Now putting the value of x in equation first. So in place of x we will put 4y. This will become, first we write down the equation of, this is x minus y is equal to 72. Now in place of x we will put 4y. This will become 4y minus y is equal to 72. 4y minus y will become 3y is equal to 72. Now y will become 72 upon 3. Now 3 2 is 6, 1 will remain, 1 and 2 12, 3 4 is 12. So the value of y will become 24. Value of y will become 24. Now we will putting the value of y in equation second. Second equation is x is equal to 4y. So second equation is x is equal to 4y. Now we will put the value of y in equation second. So this will become x is equal to 4. In place of y we will put the value of y, which is 24. Now this will become 4 4 is 16, 6 carry goes 1, 4 2 is 8 and 1 9, 96. So the numbers are 24 and 96. Answer. Now our exercise and chapter both are completed. In next video we will start our new chapter, chapter number 3. Thank you.